Kamusta? Magandang araw! Nandito tayong muli upang mag-aral ng math. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa solution to systems of linear equations in two variables. So, meron tayo ditong x plus y equals 3 at meron din tayong 2x plus 3y equals 12. Ang dalawang ito ay tinatawag nating linear equations in two variables. Pag sinabi nating linear equation, ulitin natin, ang highest exponent niya ay 1. At pag sinabi naman nating two variables, naglalaman ito ng dalawang literal coefficient. In this case, meron tayong x at saka y. Pag pinagsama natin sila, they may be referred to as systems of linear equations. Ngayon, pag sinabi nating solution to a system of linear equation in two variables, ibig sabihin nito ay ordered pair na nagsasatisfy sa both equation. Pag sinabi natin nagsasatisfy, ibig sabihin pag sinubstitute natin siya dun sa value ng x and y, magiging siyang through equation. So, subukan nating magsagot ng isang problem. So, is the point 1, 3 a solution to the given system of linear equations? So, meron tayo ditong 3x minus y equals 0 at 4x plus 2y equals 10. So, tatandaan natin na yung big bracket indicates that the two may be solved simultaneously. That's why they are called systems, no? So, ang gagawin lang natin para makita natin kung solution ba siya or does it make the equation true, isa-substitute lang natin siya. So, yung 3x minus y equals 0, magiging 3 times 1 minus 3 equals 0. So, that's what we call substitution. Then, we simplify. So, 3 times 1 is 3, minus 3 equals 0. We simplify further, 0 is equal to 0. Ito yung tinatawag nating true equation. Kung saan yung left side ng equation ay equal sa right side of the equation. So, subukan natin siya dun sa pangalawang equation, 4x plus 2y equals 10. Again, we substitute our ordered pair. So, 4 times 1 plus 2 times 3 is equals to 10. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6 equals 10. Then, we simplify further. So, 10 equals 10. Again, meron tayo ngayong true equation. Since 1, 3 is a solution sa first and second equation, then it is a solution to the system of linear equations. So, magsagot pa tayo ng isa, no? Determine whether the ordered pair 7, 8 is a solution to the following system of linear equations. So, x plus y equals 15, saka x minus y equals 2. So, una muna natin i-substitute yung ating ordered pair na 7, 8 dun sa first equation. So, x plus y equals 15, magiging 7 plus 8 equals 15. So, 7 plus 8, 15 equals 15. Ngayon, i-substitute naman natin siya dun sa second equation. So, x minus y equals 2. So, magiging 7 minus 8 equals 2. So, 7 minus 8 is negative 1 equals 2. So, napansin nyo, dun sa first equation, nag-yield siya ng true equation. Pero dun sa pangalawa, false equation na siya. So, yung ordered pair, 7, 8 is not a solution to the given system of linear equation. Kahit na doon sa isa tama siya, dahil mali siya doon sa isa, we cannot consider 7, 8 as a solution to the system of linear equations. So, mag-try pa tayo ng isa, no? Is the ordered pair 3, 5 a solution to the following system of linear equations? So, meron tayo ditong 6x minus 2y equals 8 and x plus 4y equals 23. So, unahin muna natin yung 6x minus 2y equals 8. Again, isa-substitute natin, no, yung ating ordered pair. So, magiging 6 times 3 minus 2 times 5 equals 8. So, 6 times 3 is 18 minus 2 times 5 is 10 equals 8. So, 18 minus 10 is 8 equals 8. Now, i-check naman natin yung kabila. So, x plus 4y equals 23. So, again, magsa-substitute tayo. So, 3 plus 4 times 5 equals 23. So, bring down 3. 4 times 5 is 20 equals 23. So, 23 equals 23. So, again, dahil true equation siya, sa dalawang linear equations, the ordered pair 3, 5 is a solution to the given system of linear equations. So, tatandaan natin na ang system of linear equations ay two or more linear equations that are considered together. Tatandaan din natin na para makonsider siyang solution to the systems of linear equations, dapat siya ay isang ordered pair na nagsasatisfy sa both equations. Meaning, kapag sinubstitute natin siya sa mga equations, both will yield true equation. Salamat sa pakikinig. Hanggang sa muli!